Hey everyone, this is Ben with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video, I'm going to revolutionize the way you study on YouTube.
Okay, maybe not.
But on a more serious note, sometimes we receive comments from our viewers that'll say something like this: "Hey, I love your lectures, but English is not my native language. I just wish you could maybe slow down just a little bit so I could understand you better." I have some great news for you. YouTube actually has a built-in tool that allows you to alter the speed of the video. All you have to do is click the small gear icon on the lower right corner of the YouTube player. Then click Playback Speed, and the YouTube player has different speed settings so you can slow it down, which will make the video sound a little more like this.
So let's get started.
Or you can speed it up to make the video sound a little more like this.
Light imbalances individually, specifically your nursing interventions and treatments. So whenever you get done watching this comprehensive video, you can access those videos as well. So let's get started.
And if you're on a mobile phone, you can pause the video, click those three little dots in the upper right corner of the screen, and you'll see a menu appear. Click Playback Speed, and you can adjust your settings that way. And you can play around with it and see what you like. So if you're ever on YouTube and you wish you could slow down a video a little bit or speed it up a little bit, now you know how to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.